Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how not to print your comments in Microsoft Office Word. So the first step that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Word document and follow these steps. As you can see here in this example, I will insert some comments so I can show you that we can not print in them. Let's just add a comment 1, and let's add another one here somewhere here so that I can show you two. Now all we have to do is go to the print panel or the printing settings. To do so, all we have is to click on this file menu or file tab in the ribbon that will show in the ribbon. It will be the first one. After we click on it, you will find this uh, menu here, and here we can just click on print. After clicking on print, you will find this print panel, and as you can see in the preview here, you will find that even the comments are in the preview here that will be printed. As you can see, if I let my mouse or the cursor in this panel or in the area of the comments, you will see a markup area. So all we have to do is to remove this markup. To do so, all we have is to go to the printing settings, and as you can see here in this menu or in the print panel, there is something concerning the settings of the pages. As you can see, those are only printing doing side by side or printing both side, and those are the settings of the orientation of the page and also the form or the size of the page, etc. But we are interested in this first settings that concern what to print and what to not print in your document. As you can see here, we want to print all pages, but we don't want to print all the information. As you can see here, there is something concerning the markups. Uh, Also, there is a tick here, so we want to remove this markup until the comments will not be printed. As you can see here in the preview or in the printing preview, it's already has been removed. So this is how you don't print your comments or you remove your comments from printing. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.